Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's a breaking news. Yes, the plea was filed by the Indian Medical Association seeking an order against all misleading advertisements claiming to have a cure for all ailments. The Supreme Court on Tuesday restrained Patanjali Ayurveda Limited from advertising its medical products and issued a contempt of court notice to its managing director Acharya Balakrishnan for violating its November order. We issue notice to show cause to Ramdev and Acharya Balakrishnan as to why contempt of court proceedings should not be initiated against them. Learned Counsel accept notice on their behalf, reply within 2 weeks, list for considerations thereafter. We are dispensing with their personal presence for now. The Apex Court also directed the company to not issue any misleading advertisements or make statements adverse to allopathy. In its order, a division bench headed by Justice Ahsanuddin Amanullah said respondents are restrained from advertising and branding of their marketed medicinal products specified as treating disease ailments as in the rules until further orders. They are cautioned from making any statements adverse to any medicine systems in any form in print or other media. The plea was filed by the Indian Medical Association seeking an order against all misleading advertisements claiming to have a cure for all ailments and discrediting doctors in the process by doubting the efficacy of allopathic medicines. The plea also sought actions against Ramdev and Patanjali. Justice Amanullah said, as per bar and bench, I have brought printouts and annexures. We are going to pass a very strict order today. Go through it. How can you say you will cure? Despite our wording, you are saying our things are better than chemical-based medicines. He added, you had the courage and guts to still come up with this advertisement after our order. You are tempting the court. The court came down heavily on the organization for misleading claims in advertisement. The court added the entire country has been taken for a ride. For 2 years, you wait when the Drugs Act says this is prohibited. Responding to the center, it said, here it is something that we cannot fathom. You, that means center, remain confined to your space but not so brazenly. Reiterating its earlier order, the court asked to avoid causal statements that are likely to cast aspirations on the other medicinal systems. Talking about Patanjali's claims against allopathy, the court said, how have you said against allopathy when we have said? Why have you compared efficacy? You do your own job, but why are you talking about allopathy? The matter has now been listed for March 19. Behind the report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.